Hi there, Dan Green here, and welcome to the CRYPTOMATE demo. So we start off right at the beginning, registering our account, and creating our account. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we're into the software here. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create our site. So to do that, it is just super simple. We just go here. We're going to choose a subdomain for our site. So that's so that the website can be hosted for you by us. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put demo here because I'm going to create, a demo site. And I'm going to put a site title here. So I'm going to call mine Bitcoin News. Because my site's going to be all about Bitcoin. Now you can see we've got a bunch of different cryptocurrencies here for you to choose from. This is just what you specialize your site in, the type of site that you want, the type of coin that you want your site to be about. All the top cryptocurrencies are here, all the most commonly traded ones. I'm going to choose Bitcoin. And then we just go ahead and then we click create website. And it is as simple as that. That is literally all you need to do to get a fully functional website. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our site. So you can see here that our site has been created for us, all about Bitcoin. We've got advertisements that have been added in for us. Advertisements here. We've got loads of great content created for us, all about Bitcoin. You can see here, again with more ads. It's a fully done for you site, just like that, out of the box. Advertisements, you can see here, it's got opt-in forms so you can grow a list. It's got great content, more content created for you every day. It's literally as simple as that. And to actually start making money from your site, because after all, this is what this is all about, to start generating those big commissions and get those big payouts. All we need to do after we've created our site like this is we jump back to the dashboard and then we go to this area here which says affiliate programs. We'll click here. So what we've done here is we have identified all of the top Bitcoin affiliate programs. Most of them are for Bitcoin exchanges, and we've got all the information here about them so you can find out what's about them. So let's look at Binance here. That's a very big cryptocurrency exchange, one of the biggest ones. You can see here the approval types. So the vast majority of these are all instant approval. So that means that you don't need to wait on them for them to approve your site. They will just instantly do it. You can see how often the payout is. You can see here that we've got the daily payout from Binance. You see the duration, so that's how long after you refer someone through your affiliate link you will generate commissions from. So that's lifetime and then the percentage. So with Binance, that's an incredible 40 to 50, starting at 40, going up to 50%. So anyone you refer, all of the money that they spend on Binance, you get up to 50% of it for the entire life. So think about that, guys. With just a few referrals, you can set yourself up with lifetime recurring commissions that could be thousands of dollars every single month just from a few referrals. Amazing. And all you need to do to set all these up and have them work with your site is you just click to apply. So we would go here. I'll not go through the approval process now, but it's really quick and simple. Like I say, approval is instant. Once you've got your affiliate link, you just paste it in here and you would activate. And that's it. Done. Then, if we go back to our site, you'll see all of these ads that we've placed for you. For example, here, they would all have your affiliate link automatically embedded. And that's it. All done for you. So literally, it can be as simple as this. CRYPTOMATE can be as simple as that. You can literally just give your site a name, apply for some affiliate programs, and paste your link. And that's it. That's all you need to do. You'll get new content. Go back to here. You'll get new content created for you every single day. Original content that will rank your site on Google. Anyone who clicks through any of these ads here will get you'll get full credit for all those sales, so lifetime recurring commissions. And remember, almost all of these, they actually pay out in Bitcoins too, with Bitcoins going up 600% in 1 year. It's just an incredible, powerful, automated system to make genuine, lifetime recurring cryptocurrency commissions. It can be as simple as that. But if you want to, we also provide loads and loads of different options. So let's start, I think, by looking at the ads. So you see here, by default, we've placed ads for you, but you can change them. So, for example, maybe I want to change this top banner one here, or maybe maybe I don't like the look of it and I want to get rid of it. In which case, we just go here, and then we go to the site here, and we go to pre-made advertisements, and you can see here there's loads of different ads that we've created for you, and all you need to do to choose one, to enable one, is you just click the button. So if you can see here, I've got that one. There's the top banner here. You can see Binance top index. I can disable it like that. And if I just scroll down to the bottom and just save those changes, you can see here, that's now been removed. So if we didn't like that one, we can remove it. Or perhaps we want to replace this one with a different one, maybe from Coin Manor. We would just do that, enable it, and save. We can take a look. That's been replaced for us. So we can easily change any of these. We've also got another option to have pop-up banners. So maybe we want to have a pop-up banner. So let me enable that one. Let's go down to the bottom, save, and then we have a look. When we scroll down, we've got a pop-up banner here enabled. So like I say, we have set everything up by default for you, so all you need to do is just apply and add your affiliate links. Oh, and by the way, you can use as many or as few of these programs as you want. We've got advertisements for all of them. We've created advertisements for all of them. They're all there, ready to use. So it's entirely up to you which of these programs you go with. So yeah, that's basically, guys. That is, again, ultra simple. We do everything for you, but we provide you with loads of different options so you can change things if you wish to. Now, I do also want to mention that in addition to all of these done for you ads that we've created for you that you just simply need to, select to enable, we also have given you the option to add your own advertisements as well. So you can add your own ones like this. So for example, if you wanted to add some ClickBank ads, we've done that for you, so you just need to copy and paste. You can do your own images, so if you want to create your own ad images and then manually put your own affiliate links in or links to wherever, you can do that. And again, you would just choose, you can choose exactly where you want them to appear. We also give you the option to add JavaScript code, so if you wanted to add, for example, AdSense to your site, that's where you would do that. That being said, now let's have a little look at the content. So obviously it's really important to have original content. That's the most important ranking factor for Google these days by far, is having lots of original content. And every single day, CryPTOMATE creates lots of original content all about your chosen crypto coin. So you can see here, all this is all about Bitcoin, and it's all, if you have a look at one of these here, again, look, we've got advertisements already placed for us, and this is all completely original, all perfect punctuation and structure. But how is it doing this? How on earth is CryPTOMATE creating all this content? Well, let me show you. If we go into here, we can go to the blog content sourcing. So this is where your content is coming from. And how it works is, we have identified YouTube channels related to your chosen crypto coin, so in this case Bitcoin. And what is happening here is that the software is literally taking the words from the videos in these channels. So if you have a look at this channel here, it is actually transforming these videos and taking the words in the video and then auto-transcribing them to create these original posts. Just turning the videos into words, original words that nobody else has. And if you want to, we can also add different sources. So maybe we don't like one of these ones. Maybe I don't like this one here. I can just delete it. Or I can add a new one. So we can add any YouTube channel we want. And you can add as many as you want. So again, we've done all the hard work identifying channels for you. But if you want to, you can add your own. Unlimited amounts, whatever you want, you're in full control. On top of that, if we have a look, you can see all of these posts. So these are all the posts that are created for you by the software. You can see where they're sourced from. Now all of these are fully editable, so we could go in and we can make any changes to this, anything we want. We could add in videos, pictures, links, bold text, change fonts, anything. It's a full visual editor. And also we could, even if we don't like any of these, we can delete them, or if we want to, we can even create our own manual posts. So this is just for like having your own blogging tool. So for example, WordPress. So if you don't want to use the auto-generated content, just want to go in and create your own posts about crypto, you can do that. We provide you with that option. Okay, so if we just go back to the site here, so you can see that by default, our site has been designed for you by us with loads of different graphics, layouts, etc. And again, you don't have to touch any of that if you don't want to. It's all done for you. But we do provide loads of different design options. So if we go to the layout settings here, you can see here that for each different coin, we've provided a bunch of different background images. So maybe I don't like this one. I want it to use this one instead, or this one. So you can change that. You can also add your own logo. So that's instead of using our default one that we've created, you can choose to upload your own logo. You can also upload your own banner. So you could just upload any image instead of using the pre-made ones if you want to. We also provide you with all the different options to change colors. You can even remove the background banner if you want to. You can change pretty much anything. You can change the default title and tagline. So we create these ones by default for each of the different coins, but you can change those. So for example, Bitcoin news and trading tips. I could go ahead and do that. So update the site. You can change any of this. We also give you the option to link up a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram account to the site. You can change your SEO description. So that's just for the description for what appears in Google. And I shall also mention these as well. So these are the embed codes, so that if you want to use your own domain, so if we go to the domains here, you see here we've got some instructions on how you can use your own domain. So if you don't want to use the subdomain, you want to actually have your own one. We've got full instructions here, and basically those embed codes are a way of helping you to use your own domain. Basically just copy and pasting these onto your site, onto your server, sorry. Okay, so one other thing I want to talk about is you may have noticed that we have got an opt-in form that's been deployed for you at the top here. So this hooks up with our full mailing autoresponder mailing service that we've fully integrated into the software for you. So we've done this by default, but we provide lots of options. You can create, this is kind of like just having your own version of Aweber or GetResponse or whatever completely inbuilt into the software for you. So you can create unlimited lists. So we can create different lists here. We can have unlimited subscribers, and we can send out unlimited emails. So if we wanted to, we could create a list there. We can also create, so I'll just do an example list just so you can see how this all works. Save the list. And we'll do and then we could do a new campaign. We could just create an email here. So I'll just do an example email. And then I'll just leave that blank, and then you can save the campaign, and then you can go ahead and then schedule this. So you can choose the from address. You can choose to send it now, or you can schedule a time. You can send as many emails as you want to all your subscribers, to all your lists. It's really powerful. Also, like I say, we have by default put the opt-in form here, but if you want to, we can go into the opt-in form creator, and we've got a bunch of different options here for creating your own different opt-in forms. So maybe instead of having this one up here, I want to create a one and add it into the sidebar. Well, I could go ahead and do that. We've got a bunch of different design options. So we can change, what headings, descriptions. We can choose what fields we want, so we can add them like that. it's a full visual opt-in form creator. We could choose to place it, like for example, in the sidebar. I'm not going to, delving through all this, but basically, once again, like the whole ethos of CRYPTOMATE, we put you in control. You can just use our default system if you want, that we've created and set up all for you, or you can go in and really dive into this and start creating your own lists and your own opt-in forms and your own campaigns. Okay, so I also want to talk briefly about pages. So if we go to pages here, so this isn't the biggest feature, but it's quite handy nonetheless. You allow you to create pages. So for example, you can create as many pages as you want, but instead of having posts, you might want to do pages. So I'm going to do, for example, a About Us, just as an example page. All about Bitcoin news. So I'm not going to go in and spend a lot of time doing this, but again, this is a full visual editor, just like for the posts. So you could put in your own images, you could put in videos, change different fonts, anything you want. Click Save Changes. And then if we go back to our site, we should see we've got an About Us page that's been created here. So you can create as many, so you might want to do a Contact Us page, might want to do anything. So if you go here, you can see that. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's a super powerful software that you can literally just go in and give your site a name, click a button, choose your cryptocurrency, and it's done, all done for you. Obviously you just have to apply for a few different affiliate programs, but that's all taken care of. But we also give you loads and loads of different options, design options to create your own posts, change your content sourcing, change your advertising, add pages. It can literally be as simple as clicking a button, or it can be as involved and rewarding of creating your own content. What you are in full control. CRYPTOMATE is the ultimate platform to start generating affiliate commissions in the booming cryptocurrency marketplace. Get lifetime recurring cryptocurrency affiliate commissions. Get paid out in Bitcoin with as little or as much work as you want.